turn things over to Lee Spann. It is hot out there.
Yes, record heat actually yesterday. Believe it or not, in Sarasota, you hit 99 yesterday. That shattered the old record of 96. In Tampa, yes, it was hot there too, 95. That tied the record of 95. So let's talk about today, where we start at 82 degrees at 8 a.m. We heat to 90 at noon, fast warm up there, 93 around 3, 4 o'clock, so very close to record highs again. The only relief you'll get as we head toward the evening, those thunderstorms pop up. There's about a 40% chance. Better coverage along and west of I-75. That's that yellow shaded area, a little more widely scattered for places like Polk and Highlands County. But the northeast winds pushing the rain toward the coast, as I mentioned. Otherwise, low to mid 90s right into the weekend. And the tropics, of course, heating up. Thankfully, Gaston's going to stay out to sea, but that developing area near the Caribbean, keeping a close eye on.